Solve for x using the balance method. And for part A, just as we did with the last example, let's do it with the flowchart inside. So we know that this part is going to give us the order of operations for solving. So we start with x over 3 add 1 is equal to 7. The first thing I need to do is subtract 1. So I'm going to do x over 3 add 1, subtract 1 is equal to 7, take away 1. On the left hand side, I just get left with x over 3. On the right hand side, I get 6. The next thing to do is multiply by 3. So I'm going to do 3 times this side and 3 times this side. I know that that's an inverse operation, so I just get left with x. And over here, I get 18, the same solution we got on the flowchart. Look at the intermediate step as well. X over 3 is 6, and that's what we got just here during our solution. So the flowchart and the balance method follow each other very nicely. Now, one last thing I want to mention here, note how when I'm solving, I'm working down the page, so my equal signs are virtually in a vertical line. And that's something that you should work towards. Now, let's try to do this one without the flowchart, but we will think about the operations. So going forward, building this expression, we would start by adding 1, and then we would divide by 3. So when we're solving, we're going to use the reverse. We're going to multiply by 3 and take away 1, and we're working in this order here. So we have x plus 1 over 3 equals 9. And the first thing we want to do there is multiply both sides by 3. Now doing that, we'll get rid of this 3 on the bottom and we get left with x plus 1. And on the right hand side we get 27. And then we want to subtract 1 from both sides. So we'll get 27 and take away 1 from that. And the left hand side becomes x and the right hand side becomes 26. Nice neat solution, line by line, with the equal signs all in a nice vertical column.